I would have like a good day, and then I would just automatically bump up my markup, and then I would have a bad day and I'd just bump it down. But yeah, I think it kind of just slowed down my sales overall, but now I'm on a, I think 75% markup, and I'm getting my revenue back to where I want it to be. Now my goal, I want to have 5 accounts. I just ordered a mini PC for a little birthday gift as well for myself, on top of Anchor. I'm gonna get that set up, and probably as soon as that one is running all good, I'm just gonna open up the 3rd, 4th, 5th.
All right, what's up, guys? Mark Augustine here, and in this video, we have both Jared and Zain on the channel. If you guys are new to the channel, my name is Mark Augustine. I've been dropshipping on eBay for a very long time, and my goal with the channel is to help you guys make money online. These are two young gentlemen that use Ecom Sniper and has been dropshipping for. How long have you been dropshipping, Jared?
This is my 4th month, 3rd month.
And Zain, you like 6 months maybe?
6, 7 probably.
Okay. And first, these guys are going to introduce themselves, but we'll kind of go through a small analysis of Jared's journey. So, Zain, you want to introduce yourself really quickly before we get into it?
Of course. Hello, everyone watching the channel. My name is Zain. I have been drop shipping with Ecom Sniper for 6 to 7 months. I have made crazy progress. I mean, seriously, like, I don't even believe it. I wake up in the morning, I'm like, whoa, what's going on? Like, how am I making this much money? But anyways, I'm very grateful for this tool, and yeah, I think it's a amazing video, amazing place that we're in right now. And yeah, very
And where are
thankful
you
for it.
from, Zain? How old are you and where are you from?
I'm 19 and I'm from California.
Okay, sweet. And Jared, you want to introduce yourself?
Yeah, my name is Jared. I've been drop shipping on here for, I just looked, it was actually like 97 days. I'm from California and I just turned 19 years old.
Oh, so you're all both from California?
Yeah.
Okay.
All right.
Okay, nice.
Sweet.
Jared, you want to
19
share
too.
your screen and let's look at what's going on?
Yeah.
All right, so you hit the last time we did a video, the first one was 8,000, the second one is 10,000, now you're at 11,000. So you're definitely growing and you're up 38%. What changed?
Well, I think I was playing with my markup a little bit too much. I was changing it basically like every day. I would have like a good day, and then I would just automatically bump up my markup, and then I'd have a bad day and I'd just bump it down. And I think that, yeah, I think it kind of just slowed down my sales overall, but now I'm on a, I think 75% markup, and I'm getting my revenue back to where I want it to be.
And I see you have 10,670 listings. Have you upgraded to the Anchor store now?
Yeah, I just got it on my birthday, actually. I got it for myself as a little birthday gift. Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
Now it's time to really like pump up the sales because you have another, what, 15,000 listings to go?
Yeah, I'm trying to do like 300, 400 a day. I just don't want to, I don't know how much I should push out. What do you guys think is a safe number?
What usually, listing too much isn't a huge risk, especially if you're like 3 months in, the account is selling regularly and so on. What would usually like cause a suspension is if in the beginning, if you have like a huge sales spike, but you basically have sales every day, so you're pretty safe. But Zain, what's the most items you've listed a day?
I used to go crazy. I used to do like 500 a day. That was like, once I was around like 15,000 listings, that's what I did, around 500. But yeah, I would say you could probably do like 300 a day pretty safely, but that's just me though.
Yeah. Okay. I just want to get to 25K as quick as possible and then prune again. I just want to get there.
And what percentage do you think is bulk listing compared to product substitution?
I definitely slowed down on my product sub and sniping, so I haven't been doing that as much. Probably in the last 2 weeks, I've only sniped probably about 100 items and then bulk listed the rest.
And Zain, you do like 100 of those a day.
Yeah, I'm pretty intense on my product sub. That's why I hired an employee, because I can't rely on my own discipline. I have to rely on someone else's. They're gonna make money. They want to make money, so they're gonna do it. For me, it's just like, I make money every day, so it's not very. That's why I let somebody else do it, because for them it's a lot. It's like they see it more as a job. For me, when I do product sub, it's hard for me to do like so many in a day. It hurts my brain. So yeah. I do around 100 a day consistently.
Okay. And Jared, on that 11,691, what do you think is the profit?
Probably 20%, maybe like 18 to 20%.
Yeah, because if you had 75%, you would get about 20%. profit because and that's your entire inventory is at 75%?
What was that? What 70%?
No, the markup.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
Okay, and what about the your ad rate?
I think I just changed it. I was paying a lot in promoted listings, 4.4. I think it was at like a 4.9, but yeah, I did realize that I was paying a lot in promoted listings like every day. And then I just calculated it, see how much I was paying a month, and I think it was like around $500.
Oh wow.
I'm not sure.
You trying to bring it down a little bit.
Yeah.
I don't know if you know what Roop is doing, but we'll talk about that off camera because I'm supposed to interview him about that.
Yeah. Yeah, I think I heard about him doing.
Because he's doing crazy numbers. And then,
yeah.
Okay, so you 3 months in, you got here. What is your goal? What is your
So
how much money did you want to make a month?
Yeah, so I mean my whole like entrepreneurship goal was like 10,000 a month, I'm good. But especially living in California now, I'm like, ooh, $10,000 a month. But yeah, $10,000 a month was my goal. Now my goal, I want to have 5 accounts. I just ordered a mini PC for a little birthday gift as well for myself on top of Anchor. I'm gonna get that set up, and probably as soon as that one is running all good, I'm just gonna open up the 3rd, 4th, 5th.
Okay, wow.
As soon as possible. Yeah.
So guys, if you're watching this, I have always focused on I think I feel like a lot of the guys that do a lot of bulk listing, they tend to scale by opening multiple accounts. But and I manage a number of accounts for other people. Like I have a partnership with Euron, and we have like 13 accounts. But like Oliver, he does pretty much 90% of his sales from product substitution and sniping, and he's only doing one main account. It took him like a year to open a second account.
Really? How much is he doing? I think I've seen his videos there. How much revenue is he doing a month?
He about 20,000.
Wow.
With one account.
Wow. That's crazy.
Yeah. Yeah, that is good.
And he doesn't, I think he just hired a VA as well.
Oh, I also want to, I want to look into that. Maybe what you're doing, Zain, get a VA to do my substitution.
Best decision I ever made.
Yeah, definitely want to look into that.
And then maybe we'll make a video about what that took and the training that it took to get the guy and so on.
Of course, yeah, that would be a really amazing video.
Yeah. So we can do that in the future.
It's a lot easier than you think.
What's that?
Oh, really?
I said it's a lot easier than you think.
I mean,
really?
Lucky. I've been scammed by VAs before, so.
Sorry, I should not be laughing.
Wow. I did a video about it. What? They were ordering stuff off my Amazon account that they were clearly ordering for other people's account with my Amazon account. So I had like a ton of orders that had nothing to do with me. I had to charge back, ask for refunds. It was a mess.
Wow.
That is terrible.
Yep. So guys, I just wanted to give you guys an update. Those of you guys who have seen Jared before, he's making steady progress. If you guys want, if you can do it as well, reach out to us and we can talk about where you are, what it takes to start, and so on. But Jared, let's just look at one other thing. You could go to performance and traffic.
Yeah.
Right. So your traffic is pretty steady every day.
Yeah, I don't know what's happening today, but
it would
still early.
You'll see it exactly. It should pop up tomorrow. All right. So thanks. This was just a quick update video I wanted to do to share with you guys on YouTube. As you can see, Jared is doing pretty steady. You just turned 19, so happy birthday. So guys, if you're watching video, like the video to give Jared a happy birthday.
Yes. Thank you guys.
So you're now 19. I wish I started dropshipping at your age.
Well, yeah, good decisions.
All right, Jared. So thanks for your time and thanks for sharing with us. So guys, if you're watching this, we plan to get out a product substitution tool for Ecom Sniper. So Jared, I know you don't spend a lot of time doing product substitution, and I guess you'll hire someone soon, hopefully. But I'll chat more once we get that tool out.
Yeah, definitely.
All right, so guys, like the video, subscribe, and let us know what other type of videos we can do for you. All right, guys, later.